What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new slime video. I am really excited for today's video in particular because I found a whole bunch of stuff online for really cheap and I made it. This slime is like, what, $5 or less probably, so there is no excuse for you. You can find some really cheap slime ingredients and you can make some slime with it, and they're actually top quality ingredients. We have Elmer's Daiso clay. You about to be shook. By the way, this looks super messy behind me. It is actually the little, like, what is this even? A shelf. I'm actually recording this intro in my slime room because everything is kind of a mess right now. Honestly, I have like no nice places to film because I'm moving. If you didn't know, now you do. I am moving to my own townhome. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I'm super excited. So if you want to be updated and kept updated on that, then you should definitely head over to my vlog channel. I'm actually holding a giveaway right now, and one of the rules is you have to be subscribed to my vlog channel. So if you want to win some really cool slime and slime supplies, also slime school supplies, then make sure you head over to the giveaway. I'll be linking it down in the description box below because I did a whole video on it, so check that out. Also, really exciting news. I'm gonna try and say this as fast as I can without like jumbling my words together because I don't want the intro to be super long. I'm just rambling now, but I'm actually doing an unlimited Chanel No. 2 restock this Friday at 6 p.m. Central, so I'm really excited. If you have never got a chance to snatch the queen because she sells out really fast and now is your time, it's going to be really fun. It's only 4 hours though, so you gotta get there at 6 p.m. You should definitely head over to my Instagram to get some more information on that. If you're excited for the video, make sure you give this a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here and having your post notifications on and being super active. I love you all very freaking much. If you would like to comment shout out in one of my videos, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag unicorn fam. Make sure you are subscribed and also turn on your post notifications. Alrighty y'all, I am super excited to show you all what I got and where I got them from, so let's get started, shall we? So everything that I'm going to show you today I actually got off of the app called Wish. It is a shopping app that has a bunch of discounts and you get a lot of stuff for cheap. This is not sponsored in any way, just throwing that out there. But I just wanted to show you all. I've actually reviewed some of their slimes before, so now it's time to review their slime supplies. I was kind of nervous because I wasn't sure if they were going to be like knockoffs of the original, but there actually were like the original products and really good brands. So I'm really excited to show you all. You can actually purchase things for cheap, like super cheap if you purchase with somebody else. So at the same time that somebody else is purchasing, if you purchase, then it's going to be like dirt cheap. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with this gallon of Elmer's school glue. I'm just dumping that into my mixer here because I am actually going to make the slime in a mixer today because we're making a whole gallon of it and it's just easier, and I don't think I've ever made a slime in a mixer before for my YouTube channel. So I actually got this one for about $6 I believe, which is really like super cheap. It's like more than half off. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add in a bunch of lotion. This is just to help soften the slime and to make it really stretchy. I had this at home, so it costed me nothing. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull up my mixer bowl to the actual mixer and start mixing it and getting it well incorporated with the glue and the lotion, and then we're gonna go ahead and scent our slime. So I'm gonna go ahead and use different scents here. I'm using a cotton candy scent and a bubblegum scent because that is what I'm going for. Now these scents didn't cost me anything as well because I already have them. I own a slime shop, so they're here, you know? Now, I always find that it takes a while to mix the scent into the glue when you're using a mixer, so what I normally do is right after I add the scent in, I just mix it for like a couple of seconds and then I go in and I add some borax activator to this. That way everything can kind of get incorporated. What I normally do is just add the borax in right after the scent because I feel like the thicker the slime becomes, then everything will just start coming together a lot easier. I don't know, that's just how I find it. It might not be the same for you, but that is what works for me. So I just added in a little bit of that borax, and you definitely don't want to like overcrowd it with borax. You don't want to put too much because then it'll just splash up everywhere and that is not fun. Now, as you can see, our slime has started to come together and it looks super thick. I'm just going to go ahead and play with it a little bit and make sure that it is the exact texture that I want, and then we're going to add something else to this. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and add in some Daiso clay. I'm adding in 2 bricks. I got both of these for, I want to say, $2.80, which is like the cheapest that I've ever gotten Daiso clay for. It's ridiculous. Daiso clay is usually like $3 or $4, maybe even more, and I got both of these for $2.80. Like, that's a bargain. I totally forgot to mention this earlier, but while it seems like you are getting a great deal on Wish, you definitely want to make sure you are looking at what you're buying, because sometimes it could be a dupe and not the actual product or brand. And also sometimes you might end up paying way more for the actual shipping than the product itself, and it takes forever to get to you. So if you're not in a hurry, then this is definitely the way to go. Just make sure you're not paying more for shipping than you are for your product. So now that our bricks of Daiso clay is fully mixed into there, I'm just making sure there are no lumps, and look at how buttery and nice that looks. It's going to make it almost like a fluffy butter slime, which I personally love, and it's not deflatable because there is no shaving cream in there, so it's really, really good. Now, we are not completely done with this slime just yet. I also found some other stuff on Wish that I want to show you all. Look at this base first, though. The base is honestly goals. Like, look at how creamy and buttery that is. I also found some pastel foam beads on Wish as well. These were 90 cents each, so I thought that that was pretty cheap because there's a lot of beads in this, and I think that they are beautiful. You can actually get foam beads for free. All you have to do is pay shipping. Just make sure the shipping isn't too expensive, you know what I mean? So I'm definitely going to go ahead and add these in. And I found that the pink ones did not bleed. However, the blue kind of bled a little bit. However, it didn't bleed too much. Like, it only, like, tinted the slime a little bit. It just didn't, like... I don't know how to explain it. It's like a little tint. It's not like fully, like, full-on bleed, you know? I absolutely love how the slime came out, and honestly, this was so cheap to make. It's so crazy. You can make really good quality slime with really good quality ingredients for super cheap. You just gotta be very patient, and you gotta look for the deals. There are new deals every single day. I know this feels like it's sponsored, but I promise you it's not sponsored. I just really, like, I had this idea in my head and I wanted to show you all, so that is all this is. I swear to you all. I would definitely let you all know if this was sponsored. I love the slime so much. It has a really buttery base, and it's super bubbly with all of the foam beads, and it's just really nice, creamy, drinky, and amazing. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I know I did. The slime actually came out super cute. I think I'm gonna call it unicorn bubblegum or something like that. I also have some really cool news in regards to this slime here. I'm actually going to be giving it away. Boom. Yes, so I'm actually going to be giving away some of this slime during the unlimited Chanel flash sale on my shop. So make sure you head down below to the description box to go to my shop and just be ready. Friday, 6 p.m. Central is going down. What I'm actually going to do is the first 50 people that place an order for the unlimited Chanel flash sale is going to possibly be getting either a 2-ounce version of this slime. I'm going to be giving 30 of those away, and for the other 20 I'm actually going to be giving them a $5 gift card to my shop so you can purchase something for cheap. So yeah, it's going to be completely random as far as who gets a slime and who gets a gift card. However, you have to be one of the first 50 orders, so make sure you get there early, okay? I am honestly so excited for the Chanel No. 2 flash sale. You all have no idea. We've been making it all week. I love it. You all love it, most importantly. So I'm just super excited. Alrighty, y'all, if you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Help your boy out and give it a big slimy thumbs up for me, because it really does help more than you will ever know. And if you've gotten this far in the video and you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do so. It's here. It's there. I really don't know, it's somewhere, but I'm pretty sure you know where it's at. You should click it because you've gotten this far already, so just help your boy out. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run.